Here's this very old Comfortmaker central air conditioner.
Right here. That does not look 70s to me.
I've never seen a logo on one of these.
It is faded. I'm looking at
70s that have the cursive logo.
Yeah, then it's...
This can't be 70s.
That's not original.
I think I'm gonna go get my black light from the car.
That's the 80s style data sheet. What the hell?
It must be 80s.
Yeah, this ain't no 60s.
It's the 80s style data sheet.
This is an 80s unit.
Hasn't been running.
Looks like the ones that...
I'm not. They might still use it because the disconnect is still on.
I mean, the place is closed, so...
They also just kept this design for commercial.
Yeah, it probably hasn't ran in years.
Or it hasn't ran in a little today, or it's just off right now.
They have the disconnect on, so I'm sure it's still in service.
Anyways, I think that's about it.
60s.
Yeah, I ain't.
But we figured we'd
no
stop
way
real
it's
quick and grab a quick video of this beast while it's still here. Yes. Over now.